Okay, we are on the other side of page 26, and this should be a quick one. This is similar to a ratio table. It shows a relationship, but just slightly different, and you're going to see it, so I wanted you to be aware of it. So this is called a double line graph. I call them double arrows most of the time just because that's what it looks like to me, so just be prepared. In Miss Funk speak, I'm probably going to say double arrow, and you will know this is what I'm talking about. So I think these can be very confusing to look at, but to some people, they're like, that makes more sense than anything else. So in a double arrow, you're going to see you'll have two arrows like this, and each arrow represents a different quantity, a different thing. So if we go back to our example of red marbles and blue marbles, the top arrow would be red, the bottom arrow would be blue. And at any given point on this line, that is a certain ratio that could occur. So we know that we would have one red marble to two blue marbles. Now, this is where it can be confusing for some people because it's more blue marbles, but it's in the same spot as one red marble. So this is showing us how different quantities progress. So another mark could be at 3 and 6. Another mark could be at 10 and 20, because it's just tracking these two quantities and how they would grow with each other. So like on our other example of lemonade, we would have one arrow would be lemonade and one arrow would be iced tea. And even though there's more lemonade than iced tea, we're just tracking the ratio as it goes. So we would have maybe a first line here for 3 cups of lemonade to 2 cups of iced tea, and then another one along the way for 6 cups of lemonade and 4 cups of iced tea. And we could use this to help us think about what it would look like. What if I'm making a massive batch for a wedding, and I'm going to have 60 cups of lemonade? Then it would be 40 cups of iced tea. So there's the double line graph / what I'll probably refer to as double arrow. And now you know what it is.